From near-death escapes to extraordinary rescues, these creatures have defied the odds in the most incredible ways. A young calf falls from a significant height, tumbling down and colliding with rocks on the way down. What happens next is nothing short of miraculous. A cow finds itself trapped under a train, with the wheels dangerously close to its head. It's a tense moment that makes you hold your breath, wondering how this situation will unfold. The stakes couldn't be higher. There should be a law that says, if an animal escapes from a slaughter truck, it should be free to live its life until it dies naturally. This thrilling clip showcases the incredible power and resilience of wildlife. It looks like it might be down for good. But this beast has other plans. This clip, featuring a baby zebra, that showcases the true meaning of luck and survival in the wild. This incredible journey is a testament to the challenges animals face every day, and the extraordinary luck that sometimes comes their way. If you enjoyed this thrilling moment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories.